Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add services for your site in Site123. This is really great if you offer something and you want to just let people know who comes on your site. So let's just click here on add new page. Let's go popular and let's just write here services. And you're gonna see it here, this one here is like pretty cool. Let's choose it. So now we have it. What you want to do now is just click here on manage page. You're gonna see it here. You can add new item, but let's edit the existing one. Consulting. So I'm gonna change it like mystical, magical power. Short description. You can edit. Choose image. I will upload my baby Yoda here because he's magic. He got magical power, and that's my service I offer. And now long description. This is important that when people could learn more, they can learn about your service. So let's click save and close. And you see it here, mystical magical power, learn more, voila, and they will learn everything here. So you can have like really great representation of your services. And this is how we do it. So if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.